Greetings. In this video we will learn how to control LED lights by commands of on or off. So this is very basic and even for beginners. According to this concept, you can control anything, or you can implement this logics just like of commands on or off. You can use it in your projects or you can use it anywhere, but this is very simple, just like to control a LED light. So first of all, we would like to talk about Arduino programming, how to control the LED light switch by switch or commands on off. So and then we should have a LED light and a Arduino circuit. So we will plug or insert the LED light into the circuit, and then we will in last we will see the output. So welcome to basic to advanced language. I'm M Shafiq. So let's get started. So now as you can see, we are on the Arduino IDE. So over here it is up to you if you want to declare a global variable. Why do we declare that global variables? Just because of the pins. Let's suppose like we have a LED light. So for that LED light we have to insert, just like we have to create a variable, just like int I'm saying that LED pin. So now it is also up to you which pin you are going to use. So there are 16 pins. So let's suppose I'm saying that I'm using 13 number of pin. So here it is. So over here, so what we want the just like two commands on or off. For that commands we should communicate with the Arduino circuit. So for that we should use serial.begin. Okay, now serial.begin, in it we use baud rate. So now which just like which is used to set the speed of that. So that is 9600, the baud rate of speed. So now this is the function serial begin. So if you are beginner in, or if your programming is weak, comment below. I would like to create programming videos and we will talk about the programming of Arduino in detail. So comment below. Alright, so over here now one more function we will use, just like pin mode. In it there are two just like parameters we will use. Number one is the variable, and the another one is what. And as you can see in void setup, we can you can put your setup code here to run once, and also in void loop. In void loop we do write our main program and to run that repeatedly. So here I'm saying that my variable is 13, and even what if you want don't want to use the variable directly, over here you can use the pin number, which pin you are going to use. Like I said, number 13. So number 13, and what I want output. Over here you can use just like input. In pin mode, in pin mode function you can use just like input and output. So what I want output. Okay, so here we go. So now what is the logic? The logic is, in first we would like to use the condition. In condition just like the if conditions. In if condition of condition we will use just like what, serial dot available. So now what does it do? It takes the data, is data available or not. So like that we do use this function. In the condition, if condition of condition, we will put it. So now in condition of a statement, so over here now what, how about the like commands. What kind of commands we have? Our commands are just like characters. So for that we use string data type or type string. So string data type of variable, I would like to write it. You can write anything, saying just like command. That is command. So now in command we are going to declare and initialize another function. So which is that is serial, because we have used, like you already saw that we have used serial dot begin, and then over here serial dot what read the string data, string function until, over here like this we can use until n a character of new line becomes. Over here we use like single quotation backslash n for new line. Here we go, here it is. So now we are going to use once again what like if condition within or nested if conditions. We can say condition within condition. We can also say if our command, so which is our variable, that is command. So if command is equal to what, if your command is equal to on, because we have two commands which are these are on off. Okay, on off. So now, and even just like as we have used pin mode for this, and even what we use digital write function for output purpose. So over here you can write your variable, or directly you can write your pin number. And what if my command is on, so what happened, the LED light should glow or high. So, and then because we will use serial monitor to communicate with our data, so for that we should have a statement just like serial print ln in a new line. So over here we should have a statement just like what LED is what turn on. So like this we can use. Sorry for that. Okay, and just in last we should have the another condition for off, because we have two conditions. So if in else if, so as you can see how many conditions we have two conditions. So over here we do write else if, because we have two conditions. If I repeat, if your programming is weak, you should comment below. I would like to make tutorials, Arduino programming tutorials for you, even basic to advanced over here. So now let's move command. If command is if command is equal to off in double quotation, we do write off. It is up to you. If you want to write in small letters, it is up to you. So what off, so what happened, and then same like this we would like to write. So you can copy and paste it, or you can write it. I'm copying pasting it just to save our time. So here you can see now if our command is off, so what happened, our light should be off, or just like that should be off. So now over here we should have another command where if we communicate through just like on serial monitor to Arduino circuit, then we should have the statement like that, off. So let's go to save it on desktop. Alright, so this is our Arduino circuit. Arduino SMD-R3. So here we have a LED light. That one is the positive. In positive we put it in the 13 number. I hope that you can see it clearly. Let's move to where is that? So you can see. And first we would like to take a look the port. We should insert the port, and it is uploading. Here you can see that this is uploaded. Now let's move to, it is still uploading. Once it's done uploading, you should move to the serial monitor. Alright, so as you can see, it's done uploading. So now we are on our serial monitor. So we have command like on. So it is on. And now we want to close or off our LED. So it's our command off. Now let's see on our Arduino circuit, it is off. So one more time I want to on my LED. We have command on. Here you can see it is on. And now I want to off my LED, which is the command is off. Here we go. So it is off. So very congrats. Now you can control the LED light by commands on off. So like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon. So this is my YouTube channel, where you can visit on my channel. So there we have a few programming language of tutorials. So recently we have started working on Arduino programming and also Arduino circuit. So right now we have a few very basic tutorials. So in future we are working on projects. So keep in touch. And our next video will be on to control multiple LED lights on breadboard.